Are you struggling to get conversions on your OGAds CPA offers? In this video, I'll show you exactly how to promote OGAds offers using 100% free traffic. No need to worry about website, no paid ads, and no experience needed. I'm going to share with you a step by step. You need to watch this full video. You can generate good amount of leads with OGAds network. Before we start, I want you to please subscribe our channel and like this video. And if you have any type of questions or opinions about the video, don't be shy and just leave a comment down below. Now let's get back to the video. You can visit on OGAds network. Guys, this is a best and most popular CPA network. Here you can see overview. You can easily monetize your website, blog, app, or social media accounts with OGAds. OGAds network have high-paying CPA offers to choose from. First of all, you will have to create account on this platform. You can click on sign up button. It will then take you to this page. You can type your username, you can type your email address, you can type your password, you can confirm password. In next step, you will have to fill all this information. You can type here your first name, last name, your address. You can select here your country, and then you can click on next step button. OGAds network will ask you some questions. Here you can see they are asking how did you hear about OGAds. You can type your YouTube. You can answer all of these questions, and then you can click on next step button. You can read and agree its terms and conditions. You can verify this captcha. At last, you can click on finish button. Guys, it's very simple to create account on OGAds platform. After creating account on OGAds platform, you can click on tools button. Now you can click on a smart links button. You can scroll down. You can click on create a smart link button. You can enter the name of the smart link. You can type your notes. This is optional. Now you can type your redirect URL. You can visit on MX Player platform. Here you can see there are lot of movies. You can choose any of these movies to add in locker. For example, you can click here to play this movie. Here is an URL of this movie. You can copy this URL. Now you can go on OGAds platform. You can paste here that URL. Guys, this URL will be locked. When visitor will complete any CPA offer, then they will redirect on this URL. You can type here another URL. You can type here your local URL, or you can paste here this URL. Now I'm going to add CPA offers in this smart link. Click on offers button. Click on add offer button. Type your Germany. You can click here. You can choose 50 offers per page. Here you can see there are a lot of CPA offers to choose from. You can add all of these CPA offers in your smart link. Here you can see payout rates. When your visitor will complete this CPA offer, then you can get this amount. When your visitor will complete this CPA offer, then you can get this amount. You can simply click here to add this CPA offer in your smart link. You can add all of this CPA offer. Now in next step, what you will have to do is you can click on basic button. Guys, I have selected CPA offers who needs Germany visitors. You can scroll down. You can click on create a smart link button. Yeah, here we go. As you can see, I have successfully created a smart link. In next step, what you will have to do is you can click on tools button, click on custom domains button. You can scroll down. You can click on add your domain button. Guys, you will have to type here your website URL no matter how many visitors you get. You can also type here your blogger website URL. Guys, I have created simple blogger website. I'm going to add URL of this blogger website. You can copy this URL. You can go on OGAds platform. You can paste here that URL. Now you can remove this HTTPS. Click on add domain button. Yeah, here we go. I have successfully added domain. Now in next step you can click on tools, you can click on smart links, you can scroll down. Here is showing my smart link. Click on actions. You can click here to edit this smart link. You can click here to delete this smart link. You can click on view details button. Here you can see basic details. Here you can see a status. My smart link is active. Here is showing a smart link. Using this method, you can create a smart link. You can use this link to promote. You can copy this smart link. Now in next step, you can visit on 𝒠𝒇 platform. You can log in on this platform. You can select here this option. You can type your prompt. You can type here this kind of attractive prompt. You can paste here your smart link. Now you can click on this button. Guys, it will take some time to generate landing page. You need to wait some time. Here you can see 𝒠𝒇 platform has made great landing page. Here is showing clickable button. Here is showing popular movies section. You can see everything is looking attractive. This platform has added a smart link on this button. You can click on deploy button. Click on this button. Here is showing URL of this landing page. Click here to copy this URL. Now you can open that URL in new tab. You can see 𝒠𝒇 platform has made attractive landing page. 𝒠𝒇 platform has added a smart link on this button. When people from Germany click on this button, then OGAds network will show CPA offers according to visitors. When that visitor will complete any of the CPA offer, then they will be redirected on this movie URL. That visitor can watch full movie on this platform. When that visitor will complete any of the CPA offer, then you can receive conversions. For that conversions, you can get paid. Your visitor will be redirected on this URL. Your visitor can watch full movie on MX Player platform. Guys, it's very simple to generate conversions. You can share this landing page on social media platforms to get visitors. You can share this landing page on Facebook, TikTok, Instagram, and all social media platforms. You can get lots of visitors from social media platforms. Guys, if you want to learn more about CPA marketing, then you can watch this video right here. That's all for today. Please subscribe our channel and like this video. And also please share this video with your friends. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in next video.